Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 9999, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 9999, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 9999 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 9999 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 9999 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 9999? Angel number 9999 is a powerful symbol of completion, transformation, and universal love. When you see this number repeatedly, it's often a sign that a significant chapter in your life is coming to an end and a new one is about to begin. This angel number encourages you to release what no longer serves you and to embrace your higher purpose. It's a call from the universe to use your wisdom and experiences to serve others and pursue your soul mission. The number 9, repeated 4 times, amplifies its energies of humanitarianism, compassion, spiritual enlightenment, and inner strength. The presence of 9999 suggests you're on the brink of a spiritual awakening and must prepare to evolve into a new phase of life. It invites reflection, emotional healing, and an embrace of your destiny. Trust in the process and believe that the universe is aligning you with your true path. What's the symbolism of angel number 9999? The symbolism of angel number 9999 is deeply connected to endings, wisdom, and spiritual fulfillment. As a repetition of the number 9, it symbolizes the culmination of life cycles and the importance of selflessness and service to others. It represents the idea that by letting go of outdated beliefs, patterns, or relationships, we make space for greater spiritual growth. This number urges introspection and compassion, highlighting the importance of finding purpose through helping others. In numerology, 9 resonates with the energy of the lightworker, someone who spreads love, healing, and kindness. Seeing 9999 repeatedly suggests your angels are guiding you to embrace your spiritual role and finish what you've started with grace and integrity. It's also symbolic of wisdom gained through life experience, reminding you that you have everything you need to step into the next stage. The number serves as a celestial nudge to complete karmic cycles and embrace transformation. What is the angel number 9999 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 9999 signifies the awakening of higher consciousness and the end of a significant soul cycle. It signals a time to shed old layers, karmic burdens, and attachments that hinder your soul's growth. This number is a clear indicator that you're entering a phase where spiritual evolution becomes your top priority. It's a message from the divine realm to align your life with your soul's mission, focusing on love, service, and light. The quadruple 9s amplify universal spiritual laws, particularly those centered on compassion, forgiveness, and humanitarianism. You're being asked to rise above material distractions and embrace your inner guide. 9999 invites deep introspection and soul-level healing. It encourages spiritual leaders and lightworkers to step into their power and lead by example. Whether you've been doubting your path or searching for answers, this number reassures you that divine forces are supporting your spiritual journey and transformation. What does the angel number 9999 mean for love? In love, angel number 9999 reflects closure, emotional growth, and deep transformation. If you're in a relationship, it may indicate the end of a romantic chapter, either through healing past issues or moving on entirely. This number urges you to evaluate whether your current partnership aligns with your soul's evolution. For those who are single, 9999 encourages self-love and healing before attracting a meaningful connection. It signals that the universe is clearing the way for a higher form of love, one rooted in mutual growth and spiritual harmony. If love has been challenging, this number reminds you that every experience is a lesson and that it's time to release what no longer serves your heart. Ultimately, 9999 brings hope. By letting go, you create space for a deeper, more authentic connection. It may suggest that one or both individuals are nearing the end of an old karmic phase, preparing for reunion, or healing from a period of separation. This number emphasizes spiritual growth, emotional healing, and the importance of releasing baggage from the past. Twin flame journeys are often complex, and 9999 acknowledges the transformative pain and growth involved. If you're in separation, it could mean that this phase is nearing its end, allowing for reconnection on a higher frequency. Alternatively, it could signify that closure is needed for your personal growth. In either case, 9999 encourages inner work and alignment with your true self. It's a reminder that true twin flame union cannot occur without both individuals evolving. The number brings reassurance that divine timing is at play and that your connection is guided by higher forces. What does angel number 9999 mean for manifestation? When it comes to manifestation, angel number 9999 serves as a signal that you're on the cusp of receiving the results of your intentions, but only if you're truly aligned with your higher purpose. This number indicates that your manifestations will be most successful when they are rooted in service, love, and spiritual growth rather than ego-driven desires. The energy of 9999 invites you to reflect on what you truly want and to release anything that's out of alignment with your soul. If you've been trying to manifest change, this number suggests that something old must end before something new can be born. It's a call to let go, surrender control, and trust the process. You are being guided to think big, act compassionately, and allow the universe to work its magic through you. Manifestation under this number's influence is most potent when aligned with collective healing and spiritual service. How does angel number 9999 affect finances? Angel number 9999's message in relation to finances revolves around closure, generosity, and realignment. It may indicate that a financial phase, whether prosperous or challenging, is coming to an end, paving the way for new opportunities aligned with your soul's mission. This number encourages you to adopt a more spiritual and purpose-driven approach to money, recognizing it as a tool rather than an end goal. 9999 also urges you to give back. If you've been overly focused on material wealth, this number calls for a shift in perspective, moving from scarcity or greed to abundance and gratitude. It invites trust that your needs will be met when you align with higher values. Financial changes may arise, but they'll serve a greater purpose. It's also a reminder that financial healing may involve letting go of past debts, emotional or literal, and embracing a more ethical path. What does angel number 9999 mean for former relationships? Angel number 9999 brings a message of closure and healing when it comes to former relationship. If you've been holding on to emotional pain, guilt, or longing from the past, this number signals that it's time to fully release and forgive. It doesn't necessarily mean forgetting, but rather learning from those experiences and integrating the wisdom gained. The number urges you to end any lingering emotional cycles, detach from unhealthy patterns, and free yourself to grow. Whether the relationship was romantic, familial, or platonic, 9999 helps you understand its purpose in your spiritual journey. It may also bring clarity, allowing you to see the deeper reasons why things unfolded as they did. Ultimately, this number supports emotional liberation, helping you make peace with the past so you can embrace future connections with an open heart. Closure isn't just about walking away, it's about walking forward with love, understanding, and growth. How does angel number 9999 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 9999 signals a calling toward purpose-driven work and completion of cycles. It may indicate that a job, project, or career path is nearing its end, making room for something more aligned with your soul's mission. This number encourages you to evaluate whether your current work reflects your deeper values and passions. If not, it might be time to transition into a role where you can be of service, create impact, or grow spiritually. 9999 also highlights leadership, but also to the greater good of others. What are the strengths of angel number 9999? The strengths of angel number 9999 lie in its deep spiritual resonance and transformative energy. This number embodies compassion, enlightenment, and the ability to inspire meaningful change. Those influenced by it are often old souls, gifted with wisdom, empathy, and a natural inclination to serve others. The energy of 9999 empowers individuals to rise above personal challenges and act as beacons of light for others. It's a number of closure, but also of preparation, making it powerful for helping people transition through endings with grace and purpose. It supports emotional resilience, clarity of vision, and alignment with higher truth. 9999 strengthens one's ability to see beyond the material and embrace a more meaningful life path. It also encourages leadership through love, not ego, making those under its influence ideal for roles in healing, teaching, or spiritual mentorship. Overall, its greatest strength lies in awakening and guiding others to transformation. What are the weaknesses of angel number 9999? While angel number 9999 carries profound spiritual significance, its intense energy can also bring challenges. One of its main weaknesses is a tendency to become overwhelmed by emotional or spiritual burdens, especially if someone is unprepared for rapid transformation. People under this number's influence may struggle with letting go, clinging to outdated relationships, roles, or beliefs despite knowing change is needed. There's also a risk of becoming too focused on others' needs, leading to burnout or neglect of self-care. The emphasis on endings can trigger fear, insecurity, or resistance, especially for those who find comfort in routine. 9999 can also invite idealism, where individuals may have unrealistic expectations about their path or feel disillusioned if outcomes don't align perfectly with their vision. If not balanced, this energy may cause emotional heaviness or spiritual fatigue. Recognizing these patterns is key to harnessing 9999's gifts while staying grounded and emotionally healthy.